Hello again, welcome to another video with the Honda Civic EP2. So let's jump in and find out what we're going to be doing today. So let's just get started. And the first thing I've noticed is the engine management light is staying on, so hopefully that's not going to be a problem. So today we're going to be going on a little road trip in the Civic. Going up to Marple in Cheshire. Very nice part of the world. And there's a little surprise waiting for the car when we get there. So keep watching and let's find out. So the good news is the engine management light has gone off. So we seem to be tootling along quite nicely now on the A515 and headed towards Ashbourne. So I'll keep you updated as we go along. Well, we're about halfway, 35 miles. So just pulled over to have a look where we are. Just on the way to between Ashbourne and Buxton. It is a busy road, this. And the only problem with the A515 is you do get a lot of heavy lorries as well come thundering up and down here, so yeah, bear that in mind. It's quite a narrow road in places for the lorries to come past in some spots as well, so yeah, it does get a bit busy at times, but yeah, it's a lovely part of the world up here in the Peak District, especially on a day like today. The car seems to be running well, so far so good. Yeah, let's jump back in and carry on the journey. So here's a surprise for the car. It's been treated to a valet at the hand car wash and valeting in the middle of Marple here. They always do a good job. So we'll leave the car here and come back for it later. Hopefully it'll look nice. So we're on our way to collect the car. Should be done by now because he said it'll be an hour and it's been a lot longer than that. So just having a nice walk along the canal here in Marple. And looks like a nice part of the world. And yeah, so let's go and pick the car up and see what it looks like. Well, here we are. And they certainly made a nice job of that by the looks of things. Certainly a lot brighter than it was. Yeah, pleased with that. So yeah, better go in and pay the guy. Yeah, let's just have a better look now. We're somewhere quieter. So yeah, that's come up quite nice. Just freshened it up a bit. So there you go. So we've got ourselves a nice clean car. So hopefully have a decent drive back. So just over 61 miles now, and now we're heading back. So it's been quite a long day. So yeah, it's been quite a good drive. Civics drove really well. No issues at all, and now it's all nice and clean and valeted as well. So yeah, all looking good. Good day out. So there we go, 121 miles, 122 miles. So nice little run in the Civic. Everything seems to be running nice and smoothly. So yeah, we're back at the farm now. Yeah, quite pleased with that. This seems to be a good running car. No issues with it. So there you go. So keep watching, keep subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.